Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Make sure your device supports Apple Pay and is updated to iOS 16. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a debit or credit card. Follow bank verification steps by entering codes or signing into your bank app. Enable Apple Cash and wallet settings so you can receive person-to-person payments. Confirm Face ID or Touch ID is set up for authentication. Keep Wi-Fi or cellular on when receiving payments for reliable processing. To receive an in-person payment, open Wallet and select the card or Apple Cash you want to receive into. Hold the top of your iPhone near the payer or merchant NFC reader until the device vibrates. Authenticate the transaction with Face ID or Touch ID when prompted on your screen. Wait for the word Done and a check mark to confirm the payment completed. Offer a printed or digital receipt if the payer requests transaction details for their records. To receive money remotely, ask the sender to use Apple Cash in Messages and send you funds. You can also accept Apple Pay via supported apps or websites that offer a Pay with Apple Pay button. Once you receive Apple Cash, keep it in Wallet or transfer to your bank account. Standard transfers take 1-3 business days to arrive in most banks. Use Instant Transfer if you need funds immediately. It deposits right away and charges a 1.5% fee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.